How can you add an environment from your library in Unreal Engine to a project that already exists? Go ahead and select your library. You'll see all the different projects that you've downloaded. I want to make sure by hovering over this eye that it's compatible with the Unreal Engine version I'm using. I'm using Unreal Engine 5.5.4. You may be using a different version. I'll click Add to Project. Then it will show all the projects that I have. In this case, I want to add it to my Unreal Render Stream project. So I'll select the project and then click Add to Project. It will go ahead and download all the assets and files it needs to add this 3D environment to your project. Wait for it to download and then open your project again. Once it's downloaded, scroll up to your project and then launch your project. Once the project is loaded, select the content drawer in the lower left. Double-click on the Scene Warehouse, then double-click on the Maps folder. Here we have some different levels.